Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I've got 2 more days of sales in December, so let's see what kind of Christmas stuff we sold on Poshmark. All right, so I'm going to give you sales that I have sold on the last 3 days of Poshmark. You're going to see all of my fees and all of the information, and we're going to see how much did we make in the last 3 days on Poshmark. So let's go ahead and just get started. So the first thing we sold, as you can see, I sold it on December 7th of 2019, is a pair of women's scrunch black ballet flats shoes, size 8.5. I have a few more of these, not too many more, but as you can see the Poshmark fee structure right over there, and how much my earnings were. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write down on a notepad I've got right here how much my earnings were, deduct how much I paid for it. So I paid $4 for this. So I made a total of $405, and we're going to just continue to keep adding everything up, and we'll see how much we made these last 3 days on Poshmark. Then I've got a women's Talia quarter strap cork heel sandals, size 5.5. I do have a few more of these, not too many more, but as you can see, I made $105. I actually paid $4 for these, but I've got so many of them that I'm willing to discount them pretty low. So if you want to buy these and you wear a 5.5, great deal for you. So go ahead and check them out on my Poshmark store. The link is in the description below. And so 105 I paid for, so really I'm at negative 295 on that one. So I will definitely include that in my profit totals, unfortunately. But at least I made back $1.05 that I didn't have before. Then I've got a Hanukkah pajama set. Perfect time of the year to be selling that in December. So $12.80. I paid $2 for that out of a liquidation box. So I'm at $10.80. So selling things seasonal is a great idea. And then I've got this American Rag tank top. As you can see, let's give you an up close picture of this item. That's what it looks like there. Let me move myself over here. There we go. And we can see a little bit better. And so you can see this American Rag tank top is really, really cute. And so the fee structure there is $6 is what it sold for. My earnings were $1.25. I paid about $1 for it, so I only made about 25 cents, but it's been on my store for a while. I'm down to about 300 items on my Poshmark store, which I'm really, really glad about because it's making it much more manageable. It used to take me forever to find each product to ship, and now I'm not having to do that. So then these sold for $6. I made $1.25 on these as well, so 25 cents is where my profit margin is on these Umbro sweatpants. So not a lot, but they're off my store. One less thing to share. So I'm kind of cleaning up my store right now. So again, women's 8 Crazy Night pajama shirt, perfect time of the year to be selling this. $3.25 is what I earned after all of my fees. Dollars what I paid, so I'm at $2.25. Let's get a closer look at how cute that shirt is. That's what it looks like there in all the different pictures. So that gives you an idea of what the shirt looks like. Then I've got some cozy loungewear. And so Joyful is what this is called. $8.25 is what I earned. $1 is what I paid. And so I'm at $7.25. So a lot of this is some old Target clothing that I've been moving, but I did sell a couple of new things that I just recently got out of a bulk box and some of my expensive Macy's stuff. I don't have a lot of my Macy's stuff listed yet, but it will get there in the next couple of weeks. It's my busy time, so I'm trying to get moving on it. So then I sold a pair of women's Disney hipster briefs. Believe it or not, I have had these for over a year, and I can't believe I still had them on my store. But I spent $1 on them out of one of my huge bulk clothing boxes where I've got like 500 items in them. So I paid a little less than $1. So we'll just say $1 for easy math. My earnings were $4.05. So I made $3.05 on these really, really cute hipster Disney panties. Then I sold this new without tags Ava in purple blouse. $7.05 is what I earned. Here's a closer look at it. Really cute sleeves. I do have different sizes in these, and so check those out. So $7.05 is what I earned. $2 is what I paid, so I'm at $5.05 of profit on this cute top. Then I've got some lingerie that I sold, $4.25. I only paid $1 for it, so $3.25 is what I earned on this baby doll sheer lingerie piece. And then I've got my denim hats that, of course, my Hooked on Pickin bling denim hats. $8.05 is what I earned. $4 is what I paid for it. So I'm at $4.05 of profit on this. Then I've got another lingerie set. $2.25 is what I earned on that, and $1 is what I paid. So I'm at $1.25 of earnings on that one. And then you know me and my bundles. I love them. So I've got this Karen Scott reindeer print t-shirt. Let's see what that looks like. Isn't that cute? So I found the stock photo and then also had pictures of the regular item with measurements. So that's that one there. And then the next item in this bundle, all of these shirts cost, let me see, they were all $2 shirts. And so I'm $8 total invested. I made $36 on this sale, and so 36 minus the 8 is $28. You can see why I love bundles so much. So let's get a look at what these all look like. So cute embroidered neckline on that one, then another Karen Scott sweater with a cute front on it, and then a CJ Banks purple top. So all of those added up to $28 of profit for me. Then I've got a women's Pontinel chenille cocoon cardigan. Perfect time to be selling these sweaters. So $17.60. I only paid $2 for it, so I'm at $15.60. Now we're starting to get into the more expensive things I've started to list, so I'm kind of clearing out a lot of my Target stuff, and so I'm starting to sell more items for, or maybe not as many items, but higher prices, so I'm giving myself less work. So that's what this looks like here. And then, of course, you add your own regular photos too, so that people can see exactly what the item looks like. And then this was an amazing sale. So I actually got this out of a Bulq box that came with a bunch of shoes, and so my actual cost of purchase for this particular item was around $9, $9 to $10. So I actually made $71.20, as you can see right here, $71.20. And so I actually made $62 on this one sale, $62.20 for this puffer coat that came in a Bulq box. So this was awesome. I was super excited, and it did not take me any time at all to list this because I got it from a Bulq manifest, and it had the pictures listed with it. So I was able to use those pictures and the titles and the entire description to be able to make this listing. So the listing actually only took me about 2 or 3 minutes to create, and I didn't take my own photos of this one. I would have gone back and added photos had it sat on my Poshmark store for very long, but the item was in brand new pristine condition, which is why I thought the stock photo was fine to just leave that on there. So I'm going to add up everything that I have, and we'll see what our total was for these 3 days of sales on Poshmark. All right, everybody, and so I've got everything added up. It came out to $150.25 for 3 days of sales on Poshmark. And so $50 a day on Poshmark, and that's after cost of purchase, after all my Poshmark fees, and after shipping everything. So not too shabby. So keep up the good work, everybody, and check out my Poshmark store if you're interested in any of the new items that I've been listing. The latest thing has been that I've been keeping my store around 300 items or less. That really helps in the sharing process and makes me be able to do less work and sell more items now that I've been putting some more higher end items on my store. So hopefully it's been helpful to see what I sold and how much I made. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. Poshmark, Poshmark, Poshmark. I love selling on Poshmark. Poshmark, Poshmark, Poshmark. I love selling on Poshmark. Making some money, about $50 a day. Hey, making some money, about $50 a day. Hey, thanks for watching. If you'd like to subscribe, please click the link below. And also, if you want to check out my Hooked on Pickin store, check that as well. Or if you want to see more videos of me unboxing awesome palettes and where I get some of the clothes, check the links here. All right, thanks for watching.